Hello everybody, my name is Personalpronouns and this is your German learning channel Fast and Easy German. Welcome to the second video. If you haven't seen the first video, you can find it above in the panel. So, in our lesson today we will talk about one of the basics of learning foreign languages, namely German pronouns and their characteristics. First, I will give you some information about pronouns and then we will learn together in the practical part of this video. Before we start, I want to remind you to subscribe this channel and share it with your friends. Thanks a lot. So let's start with pronouns now. As you know, languages consist of words which we use to communicate with each other. And they have a very large vocabulary case. For example, German language has between 300,000 to 500,000 and more words. We can divide this vocabulary into grammatical groups. For example, words that describe things, objects, are nouns, and which tell us activities, we call them verbs. Pronouns are also one of these groups of vocabulary. So, what's a pronoun? Pronoun show especially us, the people, you and me. But in case we can exchange the pronouns with the things, with the objects as well. And here we have to pay attention to the article of the word. The article tells us which pronoun we have to use. Okay? And now let's learn the German pronouns. Hear and repeat it. Ich. Ich. If you can't say ich, you can say ich. It's a German dialect and everybody in Germany understands you. The second one is du. Du. Er. Sie. Sie. Es. Wir. Ihr. And the last one, respect, Sie. And the plural, Sie. That's all.